Hi there! It's been 2 months since we announced our fully customizable Bluetooth Stalks for the Model 3 Highland. A month ago, we answered most frequently asked questions about them, and today I have some great news for everyone who has placed their pre-orders. We have officially entered the mass production phase, and your units will ship on time as promised. Let me share what we have been up to over the last couple of months. The last prototypes we showed in our videos were final 3D printed mockups. These were used for fitting and performance testing before we created the official molds. 2 months ago, we visited the factory responsible for producing all of our plastic components to finalize the tooling. And here is the final result. The injection molding machine you see on screen is now manufacturing the parts that will form our high-quality Stalks. After the molding stage, the next step is painting, and this time we went all out. We've selected a cutting-edge rubber paint that gives the Stalks a soft, high-quality texture, matching the color of the steering wheel column without leaving any fingerprints. This gives the product a premium look and feel that I'm certain all of you are going to like. A week ago, all the components arrived at our assembly factory and we began optimizing the manufacturing process. Our goal has been to find the most efficient fabrication process while extensively testing both the hardware and the software of each unit. Right now, we are able to produce about 100 units a day, and as we refine our process, we will ramp up the production to over 150 units daily. The Sexy Stalks are our most sophisticated and mechanically challenging product to date. The goal was simple: design a Stalk that's incredibly easy to install, compact, and yet delivers the satisfying tactile experience of a traditional Tesla Stalk. These three elements don't often go hand in hand, but our engineers rose to the challenge, crafting a solution that's not only innovative but also patent pending. Let me show you what I mean. Here is a 3D model of the Sexy Stalk. On the inside, you will see the clever mechanism that produces the signature clicky feel. On the outside, as you can see, there are no separation lines and no compromise with the stylish look of the Stalk. While typical integrated Stalks have a width of around 4 to 5 cm to accommodate larger mechanisms inside the steering wheel column, we have reduced the width to just 2 cm without sacrificing the tactile experience. How did we do it? Through a smart design and precision engineering, we have optimized the internal components. A combination of a precisely placed spring and perfectly fitting parts around it allows us to control and fine-tune the tactile feel of the Stalk. And with a patent currently under review, we are proud to say that the Sexy Stalk is as unique as it's groundbreaking. The final piece of the puzzle is the packaging. About a month ago, we designed it inspired by our sexy branding to reflect the product's sleek and modern aesthetics. The boxes are now at our packaging facility, ready for the Stalks. Curious about what's included inside? Subscribe to this channel and watch our next video where we will be unboxing the Sexy Stalks and walking you through the installation and setup process. As you can see, we are running on time, and here is when you can expect your Stalks. Pre-orders placed between November 15th and December 19th will be shipped by the end of February. Pre-orders placed between December 20th and January 31st will be shipped in the middle of March. Orders placed after January 31st will be delivered in the beginning of April. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, feel free to ask questions in the comments and we will do our best to answer all of them. We are incredibly excited to get these into your hands and can't wait to hear your feedback. We have great plans for the Stalks, which will be added with over-the-air updates, so if you have some ideas, let us know. See you soon in the next video. Bye!